Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Now tap on Delete next to Edit. And last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!